Picture this. It's the middle of the month. Your car suddenly needs a new tire, or maybe an unexpected vet bill lands in your lap. That familiar knot tightens in your stomach. You scramble. You borrow. You push another expense onto a credit card. And just like that, you're back to square one, living paycheck to paycheck, even when you feel like you're doing everything right. It's a cycle that traps millions of us, robbing us of peace and progress. But what if I told you there's a way out? A simple, powerful first step that can break that cycle and put you on the path to genuine financial freedom? It's not a magic bullet, but it's the closest thing to it, saving your first $1,000. Not over months, but fast. Because that $1,000 isn't just money, it's a shield. It's breathing room. It's the starter emergency fund that lets you finally say, I've got this, when life throws a curveball. Why $1,000? Because it covers most minor emergencies. It prevents that immediate panic. It stops you from going into debt for the small stuff, which is often where the paycheck-to-paycheck trap begins. Think about it. How many times has a $300 car repair or a $600 dental bill derailed your entire month, forcing you to use your next paycheck just to catch up? That $1,000 fund means those unexpected hits no longer send you spiraling. Instead, you dip into your fund, replace the money, and keep moving forward. It's a psychological game changer. It means you're no longer a financial victim, you're an active participant, in control. So, how do we get there, quickly? We're going to tackle this in 2 aggressive phases, boosting your income and squeezing your expenses. And we're talking fast. Let's start with phase 1, rapid income boosters. Look around your home right now. Seriously. What's gathering dust that someone else would pay good money for? That old smartphone in the drawer? The designer jeans you haven't worn in 2 years? The dusty guitar you haven't touched since college? People make hundreds, even thousands, selling their unused stuff. List items on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark, or even local consignment shops. Be ruthless. Every item you sell is a step closer to that $1,000 shield. Next, consider quick gigs. Not a new career, but a temporary sprint. Could you deliver food for DoorDash or Uber Eats for a few evenings? Walk dogs or pet sit through Rover? Offer your skills on Fiverr or Upwork for a small project. These aren't long-term solutions, but for a focused week or 2, they can add serious cash to your $1,000 goal. Think about that extra shift your boss mentioned, or offering to help a neighbor with yard work. Every extra dollar earned right now goes straight to your fund. Now, for phase 2, aggressive expense squeeze. This isn't about budgeting better forever. It's about a temporary, intense focus. We're putting a pause button on anything non-essential. For example, implement a no-spend weekend. No eating out, no impulse buys, no entertainment that costs money. Cook at home. Enjoy free activities. How much can you not spend for 48 hours? You'll be surprised. Next, brutally audit your subscriptions. Every single one. Streaming services, apps, gym memberships you barely use. Can you cancel 1 or 2 for a month or 2? Even if it's just temporarily, that $15 or $20 adds up fast. Most people waste over $100 a month on forgotten or underutilized subscriptions without even realizing it. Call your internet or phone provider. Tell them you're looking to lower your bill. You'd be amazed how often they'll offer a discount or a temporary credit to keep you. It only takes 1 phone call. And dining out. This is a huge money leak for most of us. For the next few weeks, pack your lunch every day. Make dinner at home. Yes, it takes a little more effort, but think of it as an investment in your financial future. That $15 lunch, 5 days a week, is $75. In just 2 weeks, that's $150 towards your $1,000 goal. It's not about deprivation. It's about prioritizing a crucial financial goal. Once you start finding this money, here's the most critical step. Create a dedicated, separate savings account for your $1,000. Do not keep it in your checking account. Make it slightly inconvenient to access. A high-yield savings account is ideal. Then, automate transfers. Even if it's just $25 a week to start, seeing that number grow in a separate account is incredibly motivating. It reinforces the habit. It makes it real. This isn't just about saving $1,000. It's about proving to yourself that you can take control of your money. It's about building confidence. Once you hit that first $1,000, you'll feel a sense of empowerment you haven't had before. That's your launchpad. That's the first brick in your wall of financial security. And from there, you can start thinking about your next financial goal, maybe a fully funded emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' expenses, or finally tackling that debt, or even beginning to invest. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single, deliberate step. And saving this first $1,000 is that step. You're closer than you think, and the peace of mind it brings is truly priceless. Take action today. You deserve to break free from that paycheck to paycheck cycle. If you're ready to keep building wealth and want more practical steps to secure your financial future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.